Scott. I'm a Forex trader. If you don't know what Forex means, it's just the currency market. And Forex traders generally trade things like the pound versus the US dollar, or the Aussie dollar versus the pound, whatever currency pair makes up. One of the major things with the currency or market or Forex trading is you can make money both on the way up and the way down. So you can make money both longing and shorting, longing or shorting. You don't want to go each way, a particular currency. So that can lead to the currency market being viewed as the more volatile of the options available, especially now cryptocurrencies have come into the market. It's probably slightly less volatile than those. So just a bit of background about myself. I have been trading for just over a year and a half now. Started off on a demo account, as you should do, sort of cutting your teeth on there. But you want to go onto a live account as quickly as possible after you've learned a little bit about the actual way things work, as the psychology behind trading live and real money is considerably different. So I'm a patterns type of person. I like looking at the charts for patterns. So technical analysis is more what I'll be doing on this channel. So I will basically be doing a video starting off a weekly analysis, usually on a Monday, once the market's opened here in Perth. I'm based in Australia, in Perth. So it opens probably about 6 o'clock my time in the morning. And then what I'll do is I'll update the video or update to a new video later on in the week, usually a Wednesday or a Thursday, just going through any live trades that I've placed and what's happened to them, or what I will be updating or what I'll be doing come Wednesday or Thursday, because here in Perth the market seems to be open obviously late Friday, early Saturday morning, because that's when the US market closes, usually about 11, 12 o'clock midday here in Perth. So feels like a long week trading here in Australia, that's for sure. So I basically trade a couple of systems or a couple of ways. I first learned how to trade from a very good friend of mine, Jindao Tai. He is a Forex trader and owner of LCMS Traders in Singapore. So he came over and taught me and a couple of other guys how to trade, how to look at the charts, and how to start your journey through this very long and winding path that Forex can be. So if you're looking at starting off trading, I would definitely look at contacting Jin at LCMS. I use some of his indicators on my charts, as you can probably see now at the bottom here. The sped up MACD things here, and a couple of other things that he's introduced to me, which is great. He's done a really good job for me personally, because I remember when I first opened up a chart and it felt like I was looking at something that was in ancient Greek as a language. I could see candles and I could see bars here and there and squiggly lines, and that was about it. And I genuinely thought I wouldn't be able to to look at the charts and decipher them. But with Jin at LCMS, he really introduced it really easily, and I can't recommend him any higher. So check him out if you want to go on his course. It's an excellent course. I also trade a technical system as well from the guys at Forex Mentor Pro. All of the links and stuff to if you want to go ahead and jump on their courses are all going to be provided in the description below in the video. But the guys at Forex Mentor Pro have a couple of systems that they use. One's called the M2 system, which is very support and resistance based, and then goes through your lines and then waits for a pullback. That's the M2 system. And then I also look at the Earth and Sky system from Pierre at Forex Mentor Pro, and that's very, very good for beginners as well. Very recommended to check that out, because it's really simple. He uses quite a few things, and those guys also, Jin included, they update their what they do on a weekly basis pretty much every other day. So that's fantastic from those guys, because seeing how the pros, people who trade full time, seeing how those guys place trades, where they enter, why they do it, is like taking gold out of the ground. when you're starting out, because you don't know whether to buy or sell this or at what point. And so it's just well worth getting into a mentor program, getting a couple of guys that you really trust, that you really like, you understand their system. I can't sort of push that any harder, really. The worst thing I think you can do is to jump into the market and open up an account, demo or live, but a lot of people just jump in live straight away, that's not what I would do and not what I recommend. But the best thing you can do is just get a mentor and let them teach you and explain to them exactly the nuances, A, with their system, and B, with the market, because the Forex market can be considered to be sort of one of the more volatile types of things you can trade, as I said earlier. So that's pretty much it. I'll keep the video short and sweet, because no doubt I'll be running over time in my weekly analysis videos. But I hope you enjoy the channel. Any feedback you guys give me would be great. Anything that you can tell me to improve, either the video editing, or if you want me to put stuff into it, anything you want me to talk about, perhaps on the weekly updates, both Wednesday or Thursday, would be great as well. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks, guys.